Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another episode of Baba's Kitchen. I'm Hussein Baba. Again, today is Monday. You know, on Mondays we prepare cultural meals for the homeless and the needy, right? So today I'm going to make very special. It's something different. It is actually a fusion type of thing. Why? I know many of you have heard the Chinese chow mein noodles, right? Stir-fried chow mein noodles. But this time, instead of using Chinese noodles, I'll be using spaghetti. All right, I'll be spaghetti because one of my friends, he told me that he uses spaghetti in his cooking. His name is Joe Koya, and I tried it. It tastes very well, so I'm going to try it this time. Okay, now get ready for the ingredient. Let's have a look. Here we have the pre-prepared spaghetti. Right now, you will see me how I prepared the spaghetti earlier on. Then followed by you have these carrots, very nicely chopped sliced carrots, onions, chicken breast and chicken thigh, no bone. Okay, this is what it is. And then we got some chopped pak choy, and here we have some garlic honey sauce, and then here we have shallot, and then soya sauce. Now remember, this is dark soya sauce. Dark soya sauce, just put a little just for the color. But that's the other one is the light soya sauce, which gives the flavor and the taste, right? Okay, now before I go further, I must appreciate somebody who did a good job. You see, realize preparation work takes a long time. Cooking is easy, okay? But preparation work. All these vegetables are fresh. They're not frozen vegetable. See, all this carrot. Look at this carrot, look. And look at this, how finely nice cut. So all this was done by my Mr. Cameraman, Kareem. He spent a lot of hours, a couple of hours, right? Peeling the carrots, slicing into pieces. Beautiful job, you know. So he's actually filming now. Thank you, Mr. Cameraman. Beautiful. Look at that, all fresh. Look at the onions. Look at the onions, all fresh. Look at the pak choy, all fresh. And look at the meat, all cut, right? Okay. So, well, thank you so much, Mr. Cameraman, and I appreciate what you do. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's start cooking. I'll come back to you shortly. All right, now the water is boiling, so it's about time to put the spaghetti. Look at this spaghetti, wheat drum spaghetti. Put like this. Here we go. Spread it out. Spread it out. Now you can cut it. Cameraman, come and have a look inside. Come on, come on. All right. So that's all done. Of course, we have to add a bit of oil. The reason I put oil because the reason why I put oil is because it don't want to stick together. So just a bit of oil around here. That's it. Not too much. And then of course a bit of salt too. You know, a bit of salt. Let the spaghetti cook on its own. Okay. So when it's cooked, we'll remove it, and then we start preparing the rest of the ingredients. All right. Welcome back. Well, first thing first, we have to heat the pot and then add the oil. Okay. Here we go. Add the oil. All right, that's good, beautiful. Add oil and let the oil heat up itself. Okay. Okay. Next thing goes minced garlic. Okay. Put a minced garlic. Okay, here we go. Okay, and then we got a new spoon. Okay. This is ginger. All right. Okay, that's done. And then stir a bit. You can hear the sound. You can hear the sizzling sound. And then goes the chicken. Look at that beautiful chicken. All nicely chopped. Thigh. Stir it. And then we start adding the condiments. So what we do, we add a little bit of dark sauce. Just for the color, okay? That's all. And then we add the light sauce. Okay, here we go. And we add shallots. And then in the beginning, I'll add some honey ginger sauce. Beautiful. It's very delicious for Chinese cooking. Yep. All right. And what we do, we stir fry them. Okay. So what we do, we stir fry them. Look. Look at the color. Oh my goodness. And then we add some pepper and salt. Cameraman, come and have a look. Look how it looks. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. All right. I wish I can put some sliced red chili, but I know they can't eat spicy, so I have to leave it like this. Sweet, okay. All right, here we go. Cook by itself. Cover it. Let the chicken cook by itself. Let the chicken cook by itself. All right. After a couple of minutes, I'll start adding the ingredients. Okay. 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 Now the chicken is cooking. Goes the onions. Then goes the carrots. So you don't mix it. What you do, you just put it on the top. Right? That's what you do. Just put it on the top. And then, because these are the ones which take I don't want to overcook the vegetables, right? You see how healthy it is. You got protein, you got vegetable, minerals, vitamins. So, and then spaghetti. Spaghetti is made of wheat, drum wheat. Beautiful, very healthy. Which cooks very fast. This is what it is. Put the pak choy, all this like beautifully chopped. The cameraman did a good job. Thank you so much, cameraman. So it's ready. Now let's see how it's cooking. So let's mix it up now. Mix it up, okay? We had to mix it up. Okay, mix it up, right. So mix it up, and then after this is cooked, then we will put the spaghetti, all right? Okay, let's almost cook. So what I have to do is, it's good. So what we do, we will add the spaghetti now. Look at that, just how you add the spaghetti. Oh, the circle motion, right? In the circle motion. All right, here we go. Well, all done. Okay, let me show you. Here we have the mixed vegetable and the pasta. I've not mixed it together. Okay, so if you like to eat separately, you can do that. You can have pasta on one side and you have the mixed vegetable on one side. But if you wish to mix like the Chinese meal, this is how we go. All right. So look at that, how beautiful it is. Okay, now of course it's testing, right? So somebody has to taste my food. Again, I like to invite my Mr. Cameraman, come and taste the food. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some from here. All right, and here he got a cook. Mr. Cameraman, please come on over. How are you?
Good, how are you?
How you been?
Good.
Good. And by the way, thank you for cutting all these ingredients.
No problem.
I know you did it took him 2-3 hours. He did a fine job. All right. I think instead of becoming a cameraman, you should turn out to be a chef.
Okay. Maybe I should.
CNC, cameraman and chef. CNC. Okay. Karim, can you just try and see how the taste is? It's not spicy. I know you like spice, but say
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The flavor is wonderful.
Wonderful, okay. And the vegetable is not overcooked.
Correct.
So you can still retain the vitamins and the minerals.
Yep.
And of course, we are eating spaghetti instead of chow mein, because spaghetti is made of wheat drum, 100% wheat drum, and it's healthy as well. So you have a healthy meal there, all right? So thank you, Karim, once again.
No
now
problem.
we have to get ready to pack them into lunch boxes and take to Labrador Community Centre so we can distribute through ShowThe Way Amber. They will distribute to the homeless people. About 150 people, 150 homeless members turn up on Mondays. So Amber and her team, volunteers, they distribute the meals, warm meals, to the homeless members. Okay, now very shortly, let's go in and start packing. See you shortly. Okay, we are back. So now it's time to pack them into lunch boxes. We pack them into lunch boxes and we will take it to the Labrador Centre to be distributed. So as you know, this is how we do it. We need to fill it up. There you are, one box, and then continue. So even you can do the same, okay, any day of the week. If you're prepared to provide meals for the homeless and the needy members, please do contact me, all right? Okay, I'll continue packing. Well, all done. Look, all done here. Well, we're going to cover it, pack it into bag, and then take it into Labrador Community Centre, which will be distributed. So we'll see you shortly. Assalamu alaikum. We just arrived at Labrador Community Centre and we're going to hand it over to Amber's group to distribute the food to the homeless members. Okay, we'll be going there shortly. Okay, we just delivered the food, and the volunteers are distributing, and they really like it. If anybody out there who want to be part of the cultural meals for the homeless and the needy members, please do contact me. And then, so it could be any days of the week. It doesn't have to be on Monday. It could be throughout the week. Whichever days is convenient for you, please do contact and be part of it. As you know, as Muslims and in Islam, they say, feeding a hungry person, you get a huge reward. So don't miss this opportunity, especially you being in the Gold Coast or Queensland. This is an opportunity for you to earn more reward from Almighty Allah. This is sadaqah. So please don't miss this opportunity. Come and join us and feed the homeless members in our community. Thank you so much. Inshallah, see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.